Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Paradisiac Beach Club. This is a luxury development that's being done in St. Ann, more specifically by Richmond. Now this is a massive development. I'm not sure how many homes are being built, but hundreds. It's been done by Manukai Developments, and they've done quite a few developments in the St. Ann area. Now, this is a luxury development. It's going to have 3 private beaches. And as we said earlier, it's located on the north coast. It's actually right beside the Northern Coastal Highway, which means access to this development is going to be quick and easy because it's a highway, and they're actually even going to be expanding the highway to cope with all the emerging developments on the north coast. And they're also going to be building a second highway. So you're going to have 8 lanes to get to and from this development. Now, in terms of where it's located, to the right or on one side you have Montego Bay, where the Sanctuary International Airport is, and on the other side you have Ocho Rios. So it's ideally located on the north coast of Jamaica. And it's being built very close to Richmond Estate, which is the nicest development you will ever find in Jamaica and possibly in the Caribbean. Richmond set a standard that many developments are copying. Okay, so this development now consists of apartments, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, and villas. We will give you more details on each individual one in future videos. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Now, one thing I like about this development is that they haven't given a completion date. Some units are finished or close to being finished, but they haven't given a completion date for the entire project, which is good because so many times in Jamaica they give you a completion date that is 1, not going to be met, 2, unrealistic. I remember when they were building the Southern Coastal Highway, the section from Harborview to Yalos, and they had a completion date of 3 months from the date they issued it. And it was obvious while driving on the road, there was no way they could make that deadline. So it's good that they're not giving a completion date. I guess once they're close, they can then give you a more accurate completion date. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Paradisiac Beach Club is an upcoming luxury residential resort located in St. Ann, Jamaica. Developed by Manukai Development Company Limited, the project aims to set a new standard in tropical parasitical living, consistently exceeding expectations in every aspect of luxury, comfort, and convenience. Construction began in late 2020 with the emergence of the Ruby and Onyx units, some of which have been completed. The development is situated across from the prominent Richmond Estate, offering residents access to beaches, pools, and various clubhouses. On-site amenities will include convenience stores, a selection of restaurants, and a variety of parks and public areas, providing a comprehensive living experience. Alright guys, that's the end of the article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.